Good morning, students. How are you all? During this lockdown, we have plenty of free time. I know some of you might have read storybooks, rhymes, etc. Are you interested to listen a story? Yes, you are interested. Here comes the story of the barber and the woodcutter. Do you know? It is our first chapter. Do you understand who is a barber and who is a woodcutter? Now, I will read the first paragraph. Many years ago in Arabia, there lived a barber. He cut hair beautifully and trimmed beards neatly. Landlords, noblemen, and officers of the Sultan were all his customers. The barber became very proud and despised the poor and the simple. In this paragraph deals with the character of a barber. He lived in Arabia. He cut hair beautifully and trimmed beards neatly. Who are the customers of this barber? Landlords, noblemen, and officers of the Sultan were all his customers. He became very proud, so he despised the poor and the simple. There came a woodcutter one day with bundles of chopped wood on his donkey. The barber was standing in front of his shop. After a bargain, the barber agreed to buy all the wood. He said to the woodcutter, "I will give 2 silver coins for all the wood on your donkey's back." Here we can see the woodcutter. He came from the forest with bundles of chopped wood on his donkey. The barber was standing in front of his shop and watched the woodcutter. They were bargaining about the wood. After the bargain, the barber agreed to buy all the wood for 2 silver coins. The woodcutter were agreed. As the woodcutter needed money, he readily agreed. He began to take off the firewood from the back of his donkey. The barber watched him cunningly. After taking off the bundles of wood, the woodcutter said to the barber, "Please give me 2 silver coins." The woodcutter needed the money, so he agreed to give the wood. While removing the wood, the barber were watching him cunningly. After taking off all the wood, the woodcutter asked the 2 silver coins. "You haven't honored the agreement," said the barber. "I had agreed to give you 2 silver coins for all the wood." "Look for yourself, sir," the woodcutter said. "Not a single piece of wood is left on the saddle." The barber said, "What about the saddle? Isn't it made of wood? Give me that too if you want the money." The barber said to the woodcutter, "He did not honor the agreement. I had agreed to give you 2 silver coins for all the wood." The poor woodcutter said to the barber, "Sir, not a single piece of wood is left on the saddle." The cunning barber replied, "What about the saddle? It is not made up of wood. Give me that too if you want money." In spite of all the objections raised by the poor woodcutter, the barber took the saddle along with the firewood before he gave him 2 silver coins. The woodcutter needed money very badly. Moreover, it was getting dark, so he went away with the money without saying anything more. But the woodcutter straightway went to the palace of the Sultan and told him everything. The Sultan said, "It is true that the barber has cheated you, but he is right and has broken no law." The Sultan felt sorry for the woodcutter and told him how to teach the barber a lesson. The barber took away the saddle along with the firewood. The woodcutter needed money very badly, and it was getting dark, So the woodcutter received the 2 silver coins from the barber and went away with the sad face. The woodcutter straightway went to the palace of the Sultan and told him everything. And the Sultan said to the woodcutter, "It is true that the barber has cheated you, but he is right and has broken no law." The Sultan felt sorry for the woodcutter and told him how to teach the barber a lesson.
Dear students, today we learned first 4 paragraphs of the lesson. Hope you all understood. Once again, I will sum up.
What is the title of the chapter? The Barber and the Woodcutter. Where was the living place of this barber? In Arabia. Who are the main customers of this barber? Landlords, noblemen, and officers of the Sultan. Who are the main characters of this story? The barber, the woodcutter, and the Sultan. Where do the woodcutter come from? He comes from the nearest forest. Who carried the chopped wood? The donkey carried the bundles of chopped wood. To what cost the woods were sold? The woods sold including the saddle with a 2 silver coin. What was the agreement? The barber asked every wood for the price of 2 silver coin. So he cunningly asked the saddle which was made up of wood.
After getting cheated, where did the woodcutter went? The woodcutter went to the Sultan and complained about the cheating of the barber.
Children, is this story an interesting one? Yes, it is really an interesting story. Will the woodcutter teach a lesson to the barber? We will see tomorrow. Before stop in this class, there are few new vocabulary for learn. Let us see it.
Trimmed, customers, dispatched, bundles, bargain, cunningly, honored, agreement, saddle, objections. Thank you, students. Be safe and stay at home. May God bless you.